Make a great choice today with the 2018 Metris. The Metris offers relatively nimble dimensions with the ability of larger vans. The interiors can be configured to carry cargo or passengers and comes with plenty of great options. It is designed to fit your business and your garage and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.